let's learn how to make the future tense. In Croatian language, we have two auxiliary verbs, biti, HTJETI. Biti we use to make the past tense and HTJETI we use to make the future tense. Both auxiliary verbs have the short, the long, and of course the negative form. And the same rules apply when to use each one for HTJETI and biti. So the HTJETI is the short form of HTJETI is ja ću, ti ćeš, on or ona će, mi ćemo, vi ćete, oni or one će. So you can notice that the third person singular and plural have exactly the same form, će. Now to make the future tense, you would just have to take the verb in its initial form in infinitive and just attach it to the short form of verb, the verb HTJETI. So, I will cook, ja ću kuhati. You will eat, ti ćeš, and then the infinitive, jesti. On or ona će učiti, he or she will learn or will study. Mi ćemo šetati, vi ćete pjevati i oni or one će doći, they will come. Now, as you probably noticed, very often we drop the subject in the sentence. So if we know who or what the subject is, we would normally just drop it, especially when talking in first person singular, when talking about yourself. So when that happens, we have to start the sentence with the main verb. Why? Because the short form of both auxiliary verbs keeps the second position in the sentence. So it needs to be placed in the second position. Also, we would drop I from the main verb if the verb ends in T. So ja ću kuhati, we would say, starting with the main verb, dropping I from kuhati, and then ću. The way we pronounce this is as one single word, and you don't even hear T. So this really sounds kuhat ću as one single word, kuhat ću. Or jest ćeš. So silent T, dropping I, and then ćeš. Kuhat ću, jest ćeš, učit će, šetat ćemo, pjevat ćete, and then verbs that end in ći, they keep this I, doći će, but still pronouncing as one single word, doći će.